Today is day 13 of our 30-day nutrition and lifestyle plan for type 2 diabetes. We have already covered many foods and supplements. Today, new meals, new activity, and a new supplement that helps control blood sugar. Before breakfast, drink 1 glass of water. Then eat a salad made of tomato and spinach. Today I recommend omelette with cauliflower and herbs. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 100 units of cauliflower, some dill and parsley. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How to prepare: boil the cauliflower for 3 minutes, chop it and add into the omelette. Saute with the eggs and sprinkle with herbs. Nutrition per serving: 280 kilocalories, 22 protein, 18 fat, 4 saturated. 6 carbohydrates, 2 fiber, 1 sugar, common mistake. Some people eat halva for breakfast. In 50 units of that product, there can be up to 30 sugar and a lot of fat, causing a sharp spike in blood sugar. Research. In 2019, in clinical nutrition, 120 patients participated. Protein vegetable breakfasts reduced HbA1c by 0.4 and improved postprandial glycemia. Real-world case. In Turkey, 300 patients who replaced sweets with protein breakfasts lowered HbA1c by 0.3 and lost 2 kilograms in 3 months. Micro takeaway. The omelette with cauliflower and herbs is a breakfast that keeps blood sugar stable and gives energy. If you don't have cauliflower, you can substitute broccoli. Before lunch, drink 1 glass of water. Then eat a salad of cucumber and leafy greens. Today I recommend fish, such as carp, redfish, or hake, stewed with eggplant and carrot. Ingredients: 200 units of fish, 100 units of eggplant, 50 units of carrot, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. How to prepare: cut the fish, fry slightly, add vegetables and stew for 20 minutes. Nutrition per serving: 330 kilocalories, 34 protein, 15 fat, 3 saturated, 8 carbohydrates, 2 fiber, 2 sugar. Common mistake: some eat chebureks for lunch. 1 cheburek may equal 40 carbohydrates and 20 fat, a sharp spike in sugar and stress on the liver. Research. In 2020, in diabetes, obesity, and metabolism, 200 patients participated. Fish-based lunches reduced HbA1c by 0.4 and improved lipid profile. Real-world case. In Norway, among 500 patients who ate fish 3 times a week, HbA1c dropped by 0.3 and cholesterol improved. Micro takeaway: fish with eggplant and carrot is a lunch that protects the heart and blood vessels. If you don't have eggplant, substitute zucchini. Before dinner, drink 1 glass of water. Then eat a salad of Chinese cabbage and parsley. Today I recommend rabbit soup with vegetables. Ingredients: 150 units of rabbit fillet, 100 units of spinach, 50 units of celery, 1 liter of water, herbs and spices. How to prepare: boil the rabbit for 20 minutes, add vegetables and herbs, cook another 10 minutes. Nutrition per serving: 280 kilocalories, 30 protein, 12 fat, 3 saturated, 7 carbohydrates, 3 fiber, 2 sugar. Common mistake. Some people eat cottage cheese pastries with sugar in the evening. In 1 portion, there can be 40 carbohydrates. That is 8 teaspoons of sugar. Research. In 2018, in BMJ Open Diabetes Research and Care, 220 patients participated. Protein vegetable dinners reduced HbA1c by 0.3 and decreased nighttime hyperglycemias. Real-world case. In South Korea, among 400 patients who had dinners of soups with protein and vegetables, HbA1c was lower by 0.3 and there were fewer night sugar spikes. Micro takeaway: rabbit soup with vegetables is a dinner that helps keep blood sugar stable at night. If rabbit is not available, you can substitute with chicken or turkey. Today I want to talk about yard sweeping and throwing hay. These are physical activities with high energy expenditure. Research. Journal of Physical Activity and Health 2017. Sweeping yard or floor expends 3 to 4 mets, which is 150 to 200 kilocalories in 30 minutes. Scandinavian Journal of Public Health 2019. Handling hay and heavy items uses 6 mets, about 300 kilocalories in 30 minutes. Preventive Medicine Reports 2021. Regular household labor reduced HbA1c by 0.3 and improved insulin sensitivity. Practical recommendations: sweep the yard daily for 15 to 20 minutes. Throw or move hay 2 to 3 times per week for 20 to 30 minutes. This burns calories and lowers blood sugar as effectively as a workout. Micro takeaway: even simple yard work or hay handling helps fight diabetes and control weight. The bonus block: bitter melon, Momordica carantia. Bitter melon is a plant whose fruit is traditionally used in Asia to lower blood sugar. Why it's useful: contains polypeptide P, which acts like natural insulin. Slows absorption of glucose, reduces appetite, and helps control weight. Dosage 2 to 3 units of powder or 500 to 1000 milligrams of extract per day. Take as a course for at least 12 weeks. Research. Journal of Ethnopharmacology, 2011. In 123 diabetic patients, bitter melon reduced HbA1c by 0.25 and fasting glucose. Nutrition Journal, 2014, 95 patients. After 12 weeks, HbA1c fell by 0.3 and weight decreased. Phytotherapy Research, 2018. A meta-analysis of 10 randomized trials confirmed bitter melon improves glycemia and reduces weight. Practical recommendations. Better to use standardized extractin capsules. Taken morning and evening, combined with diet and physical activity. Summary. Bitter melon is a natural agent that helps lower blood sugar, reduce appetite, and support weight loss. Final. That was day 13 of our journey. Today we made new meals, discussed yard work, and learned about bitter melon. Don't stop. Watch all episodes in order. If you joined late, start from day 1, and be sure to share this video with someone who has diabetes or pre-diabetes. Tomorrow will bring a new day, a new menu, and new knowledge. Subscribe and stay with us.